In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Gemini AI to Google Sheets. This is a straightforward process that will enhance your spreadsheet functionality. And today, I'll guide you step by step through the process. First, let's start by opening up a Google Sheet. If you don't already have one open, you can easily start a new one by going to Google Sheets and creating a blank document. Once you have your sheet in front of you, look to the top of the page and click on Extensions. This is where we will start integrating powerful tools into your Google Sheets. Now, in the Extensions drop-down menu, you'll want to select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, a hub of various tools and add-ons that you can integrate into your sheets. In the new window that appears, locate the search field at the top and type in Gemini. This will help us find the AI tool that will soon transform how you work within your spreadsheets. After typing Gemini in the search bar, go ahead and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. This will bring up a list of results related to your query. You're going to want to find the entry labeled AI for Sheets Gemini in the list that appears and make sure to select it. Once it's selected, look for the Install button and click it to begin the installation process. As part of installing Gemini into your Google Sheets, there will be a prompt to click on your email address. This step is essential as it lets Google Sheets associate the add-on with your Google account. Just click your email from the available options. Afterward, you'll be asked to click on Continue. It's a simple permission step needed for the AI functionalities to integrate smoothly into your sheets. Next, a prompt will appear requesting your permission to allow certain accesses. Click on the Allow button. This process might seem repetitive, but it's crucial for ensuring that all the features work as they should without any hitches. After allowing permissions, you'll see a Done button. Click on it to finish the installation process. You can now close the Google Workspace Marketplace. With the Marketplace closed, return to Google Sheets and click on Extensions again. This time, you should see AI for Sheets Gemini listed in the available add-ons, confirming a successful installation. Finally, to test out your new tool, click into any cell in your sheet and type the equal sign followed by Gemini. This will activate the Gemini AI function within your Google Sheets, allowing you to start using the advanced capabilities of this add-on right away. Incorporating AI into your spreadsheets can significantly boost your productivity, bringing dynamic and versatile solution building to the forefront of your work. Enjoy exploring all the powerful features of Gemini right at your fingertips.